Mastering Rhythm with Punctuation and Pauses. Hello, everyone. In today's lesson, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of rhythm in writing. How can you make your sentences dance and sing? It's all about understanding the rhythm and using punctuation to create pauses. Rhythm and pacing can make your writing captivating, so let's explore the magic of punctuation and pauses. When we speak, we naturally use pauses, stresses, and intonation to convey meaning and emotion. In writing, punctuation plays a similar role. It helps to dictate the flow and rhythm of your sentences, guiding your reader through the narrative or argument. Periods create a full stop, signaling the end of a thought. Commas offer a brief pause, useful for listing or connecting related ideas. Semicolons, winking face, provide a pause that's longer than a comma but shorter than a period. They often link two closely related ideas. Colons, smiley face, can introduce lists, explanations, or emphasize an idea. Exclamation points and question marks not only convey emotion or inquiry but also influence the pacing of a sentence. Pausing isn't just about grammar. It's about pacing and emphasis. Think of reading like listening to music. Too fast without breaks, and the listener, or reader, will be overwhelmed. Too slow and full of unnecessary pauses, and they'll be bored. 1. Short sentences. These create a faster pace. They can build tension or show excitement. 2. Example. He ran faster. The crowd cheered. 3. Long sentences. These slow down the reader, giving them more to chew on. They're great for description or conveying complex ideas. 4. Example. As the sun set, painting the sky with hues of orange and purple, he took a moment to appreciate the serene beauty of the world around him. 5. Varied sentence lengths. This keeps the reader engaged, allowing for a natural ebb and flow. 6. Example. The city was alive with energy. People bustled about, hurrying to work, laughing in cafes, and playing in the parks. It was a normal day. 1. Rewrite a paragraph. Take a paragraph from a book or article. Rewrite it using only short sentences. Then, rewrite it again using longer sentences. Notice the difference in rhythm. 2. Punctuation swap. Take a piece of your own writing. Change the punctuation around. See how it affects the rhythm and meaning. 3. Read aloud. Sometimes, the best way to understand rhythm is to hear it. Read your writing out loud and listen to the pauses created by punctuation. And that wraps up our exploration of punctuation and pauses in rhythm. Remember, the ultimate goal is to guide and captivate your reader, making your writing as engaging as a catchy tune. With practice and attention to punctuation, you'll master the art of rhythm in writing. Happy writing, and see you in the next lesson.